នេះគឺជាវីដេអូមួយដែលតាក់ទងពីការបង្ហាញរូបរាងលេខបែកធ្លាយរបស់ Google Pixel 11 អ្នកគ្នាអញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំមើលរូបរាងមួយផ្លេតទៅវាអត់សូវតាក់ទាញដែរអ្នកគ្នាដោយសារវាភាសាហ្គេមភាសាអីនៅដែលអញ្ចឹងណាតើយើងទៅមើលទាំងអស់គ្នានេះគឺជាវីដេអូ generate AI ណាអ្នកគ្នាឬក៏វីដេអូគេកាត់តពីណាទេមានរូបរាងប៉ាត់ទេសម្រាប់រូបរាង Pixel គឺវាអត់អន់អ្នកគ្នាវារូបរាងវាស្អាតស្រាប់
This is because Google is sticking with the
Pixel
same
10
design again.
Pixel 10 ស្អាត
They like the current look,
វា
especially
ធ្វើមក
the
ហាប់
cheap
ណែន
color
តាំងពី
that makes the
Pixel
phones
9
easy
មក
to know. But even if the outside looks basically the same, most of the big changes are happening inside.
នេះគ្នាយើងមើលរូបរាង Pixel 10ទៅវាមួយដែលគេលេចធ្លាយនេះបើសិនវាចេញរូបរាងចឹងមែនវាបើយើងគិតទៅវាមិនស្អាតជាងមុនទេអ្នកគ្នាវាគ្រាន់តែដូរហ្គេមកញ្ចក់តិចតួចចឹងណា frame នៅដែលតែអត់ដឹងថាកម្លាំងម៉ាស៊ីនអីមិនទេ
Google is focusing a lot on the screen, cameras, AI, battery, connectivity, and overall day-to-day performance.
ហ្គេមវាមូល
One of the biggest
មាន
changes
AI មានអី update ចឹង
is the display. Google is using Samsung's newer
វា
M16
ប្រើ chip
OLED screen across all the phones.
តល់ខ្លួនអ្នកគ្នា
Very
chip
big
តល់ខ្លួន
step
អ្
up
វី
from the older M14 screens used in phones like the Galaxy S26 and the iPhone 17. The new M16 screen brings higher brightness while also saving battery
smooth
power at the
អ្នក
same
ចំពោះ
time.
Pixel
This is something
កម្មវិធី
you'll
វា
notice right away
វា
every
សារវា
day.
ស្តុកដើម Android
Color
វា
should
ធ្វើ
also
បាន
look
ល្អ
more real and
ស្រួល
natural,
ប្រើ
helping videos and
វាអត់
pictures
សាំញ៉ាំ
look cleaner and sharper. What makes this even more important is the battery saving. Brighter screens usually drain more battery, but with the M16 screen, Google is improving both things at once instead of giving up one for the other. The black
Pixel បើ
edges
វា
on the screen
upgrade
are also a little thinner
chip
on
វា
all
ឲ្យ
the
ខ្លាំង
phones,
ប្រហែល
making
របស់គេ
screens look cleaner
ឬ
and
ក៏
better.
ក្រោម
It's
របស់
not
គេ
a
មួយចំនួនអ
huge
ញ្ចឹង
change,
ណា
but it makes the phones look
ហើយកាមេ
nicer.
រ៉ាវាថត portrait ស្អាតដូចមុន
The Pixel 11 lineup is
កាមេរ៉ាវាស្អាត
Google's
ដូច
new
មុន
Tensor G6 chip built on a
ជឿថាអ្នកប្រើ
2nm
ចូលចិត្តប្រើមក
This is another major jump for the phones. Google is still pushing AI as the biggest selling point. The
AI
Tensor G6 is made heavily for that. The new chip makes AI run much faster while also bringing better speed and saving more battery compared to older Tensor chips. The smaller 2nm size also helps keep the phone from getting too hot. This means the phones should handle hard tasks better while using less power in the background. Google is also putting the Tensor G6
G6 Titan M3 បើវាកម្លាំងវាខ្លាំងល្អណាស់គ្នា
with the Titan M3 security system, adding another strong lock to keep the phone safe. Another important change this year is the connectivity. Google is finally moving away from the old Exynos modems and switching to MediaTek's newer M90 modem. This should improve the overall phone signal and network speed during daily use. Older Pixel phones were often called out for bad signal, so this change could end up being one of the most important upgrades in the whole lineup, even if it doesn't sound super fun on paper. One of the more unique new things coming to the Pixel 11 is Pixel Glow. This is basically a built-in LED light system put right on the back of the phone.
មានភ្លើងណាស់គ្នាបើសិនជា Pixel មានភ្លើងស្អាតណាស់គ្នាវាប្លែកម្យ៉ាង
The lights support many colors like red, green, and blue. The system itself supports up to 8 different light options. Different colors can mean different notifications.
ក្រោយមានអេក្រង់នេះណាមានអេក្រង់មើលទៀត logo Pixel មានអីទៀត
calls, apps, or alerts.
ហាច់បានទៀតដូរ logo បានទៀតលុយគេ
Google is also using Gemini AI to make the features smarter
នេះ
and
គាត់និយាយ
easier
រូប
to change.
generate ពី AI គេ
That means the lights can change
គេ
based on
estimate
your
ចឹង
alerts, daily habits, or
ឡើងធំហ៎
instead of just flashing randomly.
បាទ
Moving on, the cameras are also getting major upgrades on all the phones.
មាន
The
11
standard
Pro
Pixel
ហើយនឹង
11 and the Pixel 11
Fold
Pro
11
Fold are both
នេះ
using
គ្នា
a
មាន
new
ដូច
50
គ្នា
megapixel camera sensor named Kimosh. Meanwhile, the
ការ
Pixel
ថតរូប
11 Pro and the Pixel 11 Pro XL
នេះចំពោះការថតរូបរបស់ Pixel វាយក AI យំរុញច្រើនពេកជួយជំនួយពេកធ្វើឲ្យរូបភាពវាអត់ស្អាតហើយវាពិសេស អត់ចុចយកឲ្យវាត្រូវការ AI វា generate ឬក៏កែរូបនឹងតិចទៅมันវាអាចបាន
brand new sensors for both the main and
Portrait
zoom
mode.
cameras, bringing even bigger changes to the expensive models. The Pixel 11 Pro XL is said to have a new 64
លោកនាង
megapixel
បើ
zoom
នៅតែ
camera
ចឹង
for
វា
better zoom
មិន
in
សូវ
pictures
តាក់
compared
ទាញ
to the
ហើយ
older model. Google already has a strong name for making pictures look great using software. So
ការ
pairing
zoom
new
អីក៏វា
camera
ប្រើ
parts with
AI
Google
ដែរ
software
ជំនួយដែរ
could make the Pixel 11 one of the best camera phones this year. Even with all these changes
អូមាន AI
inside,
កំណត់
the
ប្លង់
phone
ទេណា
still
នេះ
look very normal
អេ
outside.
មតាបើសិនជា
Google's
មានមែន
keeping the side-to-side camera bar design, which is basically the main look of the Pixel phones now. This year, the camera
Lôi
bar
ta.
uses a
À,
black
poso
color
đấy.
instead
Cái
of
chân đấy
matching
mà em
the
à?
phone body color, giving the back a slightly different look while keeping the same overall shape. The whole Pixel 11 lineup is launching with Android 17 straight out of the box, bringing Google's newest software right away on day one. One of the biggest new things is Gemini
Google Intern
Intelligence. This is
Intelligence.
Google's new AI system made to handle hard tasks all by itself for the user. Google is clearly
Pixel
pushing
là lạnh,
Gemini deeper
cảm
into
thi
Android
nè,
instead of
super.
keeping it as a side app.
ស៊ូភើអត់សាំ
Android
ញ៉ាំវា
17 also
ស៊ូ
brings
ភើ
the
យ
power
ទៅ
to make your own home
កាមេរ៉ា
screen
វាស្អាត
widgets
ដូច
just
មុន
by
ថតស្អាត
talking
មុ
to
ន
Gemini Intelligence. Instead
Lang
of
chip
building
Việt
widgets
vừa
piece
lõ.
by piece yourself, you can
Bên
simply
chất rất
explain
mỏng
what
nè
you
các
want
bạn.
and let the phone make it for you. Other new things like App Bubbles and Pause Point are also put in as part of the Android 17 software. So, yeah, that's pretty much everything we know so far about the upcoming Pixel 11 series, at least the important stuff that leaked so far. We're still a couple of months
Oh,
away from the
no.
official launch, which means there's still plenty of time for more leaks and new info to show up. And if I missed anything
Preset
important,
thay nào nè.
make sure to point it out down in the comments. I'll definitely be covering all the new updates and leaks as they keep coming. So think about subscribing if you want to stay updated on everything about the Pixel 11 phones. Don't forget to turn on post notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
គេពូតាប់ពីមើលវីដេអូនេះហើយយល់ណាស់ហើយពូ Google Pixel បើសិនជាមានរូបរាងអញ្ចឹងណាគ្នាអញ្ចឹងយើងចាំជួបគ្នានៅវីដេអូក្រោយអ្នកគ្នាបាយបាយ
The